Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you something. It's really creepy. There's a sound coming from outside, and it's very creepy.
Here, I'll show you. I don't think you guys will hear it, but
There's like a knocking sound and a squeaking sound, and a construction.
whoa, wait.
Please don't open. Yes, I got there. That was really creepy. Like,
But it's just the wind. It's just the wind. But then there's like a squeaky sound, but I think it's the wind blowing something that's squeaky, so.
it was like a tornado.
And I just put on a bunch of lip smackers because I got a bunch of lip smackers. So I got these two, which look like baby lip, like the baby lips crystal whatever, because they're all sparkly, and they smell really good. This one smells like grape Fanta, and then this one smells like oranges. So yeah, I got those. So, and then this one smells like cotton candy. And then this one smells like caramel, toffee, whatever. And then this one smells like cake batter. So, crystal baby lips. This one, this one, this one. So these are the ones that I got. I got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one.
I don't have anything to say. That was a really creepy sound, though.
And it's really